So in this video, I'm going to be replacing the alternator on a 95 Mustang. You might see I have other videos replacing an alternate 95 Mustang. This is a different 95. The reason I'm replacing it, there's a massive now hum in the car with or without the stereo on. So that's not an uncommon problem with these cars when this alternator starts going bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it and film it as I go. So what I'm messing around here is the smog pump line actually goes on the back of the alternator. And it does this to help ground out the system. So it was not on this car. So I had to find a bolt and put it in. It is part of the ground for the alternator. So it needs to be there. And if it's been removed, you would run this ground back to the battery on that pole or on that nut there back to the battery, and some alternator wire, if you bought another harness, comes with it. But that could be the reason for my hum in the first place. Okay. So I'm fighting this lower bolt, getting it in and out, and you shouldn't, if you have a stock car, you wouldn't have this problem. I have an upgraded radiator, and I do not have a stock. I have an aftermarket AC on this, so this is usually very easy to get in and out the lower bolt. I'm just fighting it because I don't have an aftermarket, or I don't have an original setup. I have a lot of aftermarket parts on this car. So these pigtails aren't fitting very well, and they're very loose, so I'm going to go ahead and put new pigtails in. I'm not a big fan of the 3G setup, and they're notorious for going bad. The connectors are. So I'm going to go ahead and rewire in a new connector right now. And I went and stripped some of the shielding back, and I'm going to probably have to go a little bit further back on this because I can see some bends in it. So I got done cleaning it up, cleaned up the new connector, and then put everything back together. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. And what I really care about is I'm not getting a low voltage, and hopefully the whine's gone. Voltage is good. When I rev it, I no longer hear that whiny noise, so it was a bad alternator causing my problems.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.